Welcome to IT Learning, the place where everyone can learn the basics of the IT world. Today we're unraveling the mystery of ISDN, which stands for Integrated Services Digital Network. Sounds complex, right? But let's simplify it. ISDN is like a superhighway for communication. It's a set of standards that allows voice, video, data, and other network services to be transmitted simultaneously over traditional public switch telephone circuits. Imagine a bustling city where all types of vehicles are moving in harmony. That's ISDN for you, a harmonious flow of different kinds of data. It was a revolutionary concept when it was introduced, laying the groundwork for many of the digital communication methods we use today. So ISDN is not just a random acronym, it's an essential piece of our digital history. Now that you know what ISDN is, let's delve deeper into how it works. To understand ISDN better, it's important to know its components. One of the key aspects of ISDN is its unique structure. ISDN is made up of different types of channels, each playing a vital role in the network. Let's start with the two main types of channels in the ISDN structure: bearer channels or B channels and delta channels or D channels. The B channels are the workhorses of the network. They carry the main data. That's your voice, video, text, and other services. Each B channel can support a data rate of 64 kilobits per second, which when you think about it is pretty impressive. Then we have the D channels. These are the control towers of the ISDN network. The D channels don't carry the main data like the B channels do. Instead, they're responsible for carrying control and signaling information. It's the D channels that set up and break down the calls, handle the network layer protocols, and manage the traffic on the B channels. Now within the ISDN there are two levels of service: Basic Rate Interface or BRI, and Primary Rate Interface or PRI. The BRI is designed for home and small enterprise use. It consists of two B channels and one D channel. This is often referred to as 2B plus D. On the other hand, the PRI is designed for larger organizations. It offers a much bigger package. In North America and Japan, PRI configuration is 23 B channels and 1 D channel. However, in Europe, Australia, and India, the standard PRI offers 30 B channels and 2 D channels. These components, from the B channels and D channels to the BRI and PRI levels of service, work together to make ISDN a reliable and efficient communication network. They ensure that your data gets where it needs to go, and that the network can handle the demands placed on it. These components work together to make ISDN a reliable and efficient communication network. You might be wondering, what makes ISDN beneficial? Well, let's dive into the advantages of this versatile network service. One of the key benefits of ISDN is its ability to transmit high-quality voice and data simultaneously. This was a revolutionary feature when it was first introduced, as it allowed for clearer voice calls and faster data transmission. This means you could be on a phone call while sending a large file over the internet, all without any noticeable drop in quality. Moreover, ISDN supports the connection of multiple devices. This means you can connect your computer, telephone, fax machine, and other devices, all to a single ISDN line. Imagine the convenience of having all your devices connected using just one line. Another noteworthy benefit is the faster call setup that ISDN offers. Unlike traditional telephone services, ISDN can establish calls in a matter of seconds. This may not seem like a big deal now, but back in the day, it was a game changer. Despite the advent of newer technologies, ISDN is still being used in some areas. This is especially true in industries that require reliable, high-quality voice and data transmission. These industries continue to appreciate the stability and reliability that ISDN provides. As you can see, ISDN has several advantages, which explains why it's still in use today. So next time you're on a crystal clear call, or sending a large file without a hitch, remember, it's all thanks to technologies like ISDN. While ISDN has its benefits, how does it compare to modern technologies? Let's delve into this. Imagine ISDN as a classic car. It's reliable, it's served us well for many years, but it's not quite as efficient or speedy as the latest models. In our fast-paced digital world, speed and efficiency are key, and this is where modern communication technologies like VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol, take center stage. VoIP, for instance, is like a high-speed sports car. It uses internet connections to transmit voice data, and it does so at a fraction of the cost of traditional ISDN lines. With VoIP, you're not limited by the number of available lines. You can add as many users as your internet bandwidth allows, making it a scalable option for businesses of all sizes. Now let's talk about limitations. ISDN's bandwidth, while sufficient in the past, can't quite keep up with the demands of today's data-hungry applications. The maximum speed of ISDN is 128 kilobits per second. Compare that to the average broadband speed today, and you'll see a stark difference. On top of that, ISDN typically incurs higher costs. You're paying for each line, and the hardware required for ISDN can be expensive. In contrast, VoIP requires less specialized equipment, and costs are often based on usage rather than a flat fee per line. ISDN has served us well, but newer technologies are now leading the way in digital communication. ISDN has played a pivotal role in the evolution of digital communication. It has been a cornerstone in the world of IT, bridging the gap between analog and digital technologies. Its components, including the network terminations and the digital subscriber line, have given us the foundation for the high-speed, high-quality communication we enjoy today. The benefits of ISDN are numerous, from simultaneous transmission of voice, video, and data, to enhanced quality and reliability. It's no wonder that ISDN was once the gold standard for digital communication. Yet, as we've seen, modern technologies have pushed beyond what ISDN offers. The rise of broadband, VoIP, and fiber optics have ushered in a new era of communication. But the influence of ISDN remains apparent, shaping these technologies in many ways. So there we have it, a journey through the world of ISDN. To continue learning new IT knowledge, feel free to subscribe and leave a comment about which topic you'd like a video on.